In today's video, I'm going to show you how can you delete your recent and temporary files from your computer. So basically, recent and temporary files take up space that could be used for the other data or that could be left free, which helps your computer run faster. These data can slow down your computer and make it difficult to work sometimes, and it can be hard to perform basic operations. So whenever your computer adding some temporary files, recent files, add some recent files, you didn't delete your recent and temporary files for a years or for a month, and you are doing heavy tasks on your computer. This could you can be find difficulty to do some basic operations or for running some apps. So you need to clean your recent and temporary files so that you could get some free spaces as those files and temporary files and recent files consume some spaces from your computer. So yeah, now there are several ways to delete recent and temporary files. I'm going to show you some 2 or 3 ways how can you delete all those files. First, deleting templating files, you can simply click search option and then write run. You can find the run app. Just open the run app. Okay, so this is the run app. You can open this run app from the search option or from the start option as well. Just click the on the start button and find further address. Okay, so in this way you can find from the all program. I'm not going to find any. You can find from here, or you can search run from here, or there is a shortcut key. You can just simply press the Windows button in your keyboard plus the R button. Windows button from your keyboard and plus the R button, press together, and you can find this dialog box. Okay, then to delete the recent files, you have to write recent in this box. So there is a box which names open. So you will find this open, and beside the word open you will find a box for write anything. Okay, so just simply type recent here. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, so this will show all the recent files that were stored in your your recently opened files. You can find all the recently opened file in your computer. So this file should be removed from your computer. Okay, so what you can do, you can simply click any of the file or any of the folder, and then Ctrl A to select all the folder. It will make your task easier if you select all the folder and just simply press delete button from your uh, keyboard, or right click and delete. Okay, now your all the recent file has been removed. Okay, so this folder is empty now. I'm going to undo, as I will show you in another method. So for the removing the temporary files using the run, what you can do, again you have to simply press Windows button plus the R button, or search for run, double click. Okay, then after this open, in this blank box write percentage temp percentage, and then press OK. So you'll find all the temporary files that was in your computer. Okay, that is stored in your computer. So select any of the file or folder, and then simply press Ctrl A from your keyboard, and then simply press delete button from your keyboard, or right click here and delete. It will take some time to delete. So the item has been recycled successfully. So before deleting the computer, your PC will recycle the temporary files, and then it will delete from your computer permanently. So if you see this kind of notification, the action cannot be completed because the file is open in Google Chrome, and close this file and try again. So if any file is opened, as I have opened so many items in my desktop, so you cannot delete any open files. Okay, so what you can do, you can simply open your Google Chrome and open that file. So this file, so open this file and close this file, then click here and try again. So in this way, your this file will be removed, or you can skip for now, and afterwards whenever you again remove your temporary files from your computer, then it will be removed automatically, because in that case your that file may not be opened. So I'm going to skip for now because I can remove it afterwards. So again, it's recycled and it will be removed. Okay, okay, so these are some rest of the items. I'm going to delete this as well. Again, press delete. Do this at the current time. Try again. Try again. Okay, so these files are currently open in my computer, so I cannot remove these files. But the other files has been removed from my temporary storage. So if you open the recycle bin, so this files has been removed from my temporary storage. So to remove permanently from the recycle bin as well, you can just Control A and simply again delete. Okay, so I'm going to delete this using my keyboard. Simply delete this using your keyboard option, or simply delete this from this option. Okay, simply delete this from your keyboard, or simply delete this using the right click and delete this. Okay, so this will be removed from your recycle bin as well. Okay, now we got some free spaces. Free spaces. Now our PC will get some free spaces. So this is the way you can delete any kind of temporary files, or any kind of recent files from your computer, to speed up your computer more and to perform better than before. So perform better than before, obviously. So yeah, that was all from this video. I have shown how shown using the run option, or using the run app, how can you delete your temporary files and recent file from your computer, and make your computer more faster than before. So this video might helpful for you. So use these tricks to free some spaces up from your computer, and see your computer will work faster than before.